Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Archana, your yoga and wellness trainer and health coach. So are you suffering from hyperacidity, acid reflux and so on? Do you have frequent headaches and migraine? Do you have high blood pressure, or you get anxious, angry, irritated very often? So today I'm going to show you a very nice pranayam which is called Shitali Pranayam, cooling pranayam, which helps in all these conditions. So Shitali means cooling or soothing. Pranayam is prana is your life force and ayam is extension. So this pranayam helps to bring that soothing feeling, the coolness in your mind and body, and that is how it helps in all this condition. This pranayam helps to activate your parasympathetic nervous system. It sends the signal of rest and digest to your body. Okay, so let's see how to do this pranayam. There is only one limitation of this pranayam, is that whenever someone has fever, we should not do this pranayam. Okay, so we are going to do two pranayams, two parts of cooling pranayam. One is Shitali and another one is Shitkari. So for Shitali pranayam, you need to curl your tongue like a pipe, so like this. Curl your tongue inwards like a pipe, and if you're not getting this, just simply keep your tongue on your lower lip. Okay, and just have to inhale. So suck the air in, take the air through your mouth, and feel that coolness in your throat and in your whole mouth. So, and when we exhale, it's normal exhalation. So inhale, exhale through your nose. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Now you can go about 5 to 10 rounds at a time. You can go about 10 to 15 times. You can pause this video and do the rest of the rounds. Okay, now next one is Shitkari pranayam. So here we fold the tongue inwards, so like this, in between teeth, and inhale through the space in between your teeth. So inhale and exhale, and whenever you are doing that, just focus on that hissing sound as we inhale. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. We'll go for 2 more rounds. Inhale, exhale out completely. 1 more. Inhale, and exhale. Okay, relax. Again, you can go about 10 to 15 rounds, and just after each pranayam, just relax. Take a time to observe that, feel that coolness. You really feel that peppermint kind of feeling in your mouth. Okay, you feel really cool in your throat and in the mouth. Okay, so again, you can do it every morning. It's a best pranayam for hyperacidity, for anxiety, for high blood pressure and frequent migraine and headaches. Okay, so I hope this video helps you. Let me know in comment section if it helped you, or any other comments or benefits you got from this pranayam. And I do have other pranayam series. Please check out the playlist under pranayam series. You can find other pranayams as well. Okay, so look good, feel good, be healthy and happy, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with friends and family and colleagues. Someone might get this help. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.